Welcome to AI Forum's weekly report, where we share AI news and insights curated for practitioners, executives, and entrepreneurs. In AI news this week, we cover edge network innovation in Las Vegas, insights on digital sprinter economies, and an update on AI funding markets. Blocks is a UK-based startup that submitted their story to our news desk last week, covering their involvement in the Las Vegas Innovation Zone via their partner, the Open Grid Alliance. From Blocks' Chris Ward-Jones, this collaboration aims to attract new businesses to Las Vegas and grow existing businesses, creating jobs and diversifying the local economy, while also developing capabilities that serve disadvantaged and at-risk populations affected by the digital divide. Las Vegas and the Open Grid Alliance announced plans to focus on the commercialization of edge and 5G applications. Edge computing, as discussed in some of our earlier videos, is the transfer, decentralization of computation closer to an application, thereby reducing network latency and the data load on data centers, particularly the explosive growth in IoT data. With 40 million visitors a year, Las Vegas is planning to use advanced technology to deliver exciting customer experiences, leveraging augmented reality, virtual reality, and holographics. These network-intensive applications will only work with high-performing networks where heavy AI workloads are run on edge-connected smartphones and their AI chips. To better understand how smartphone manufacturers see themselves as the mini data centers of the near future, see our earlier video on Apple's Neural Engine, along with Qualcomm's AI Engine and Google's Tensor Chip. To learn more about the use cases that are proliferating in this space, join us on the 28th of November at our annual conference and listen to IBM's Uptal Mangla and his talk on the power of AI and edge computing and why the combination of these two technologies will disrupt multiple industries. In emerging markets technology news, Google announced last week their first cloud region in Africa will be built in South Africa, joining 35 other cloud regions. Alpha Digital's report for Google, entitled The Digital Sprinters, highlighted the Solow paradox, where the Nobel laureate Robert Solow observed in 1987, "You can see the computer age everywhere, but in the productivity statistics," with the benefits largely occurring a decade later. Many commentators have extended this to the digital economy, where, particularly in emerging markets, broadband investments have largely failed to significantly increase real growth in GDP, as can be seen in Exhibit 2 of the report. So, what is driving Google's new interest in Africa? The report identifies 8 key technologies that could unlock real GDP growth, with cloud ranked second in the list. The authors assert that public cloud hosting has the ability to boost internal productivity by making resources available on an on-demand basis, providing tailored productivity tools and enabling improved security. Cloud computing has also become essential for leveraging technology and tools such as artificial intelligence and machine learning. With 16 digital sprinter economies identified, cloud investment may become a useful forward indicator for an imminent increase in the use of AI in digital sprinter economies. In AI funding news, it was a quiet week for deals, where the Nasdaq was largely unchanged. Financing in the AI ecosystem is seeing more debt and convertible debt being used to fund growth. Convertible debt is a hybrid financing where the instrument is issued as loan but can be converted to ordinary shares by the lender. A good example of this trend can be seen with the $400 million convertible note issued by Arctic Wolf, a Minnesota, USA-based cybersecurity firm. Arctic Wolf offers customers a platform including hybrid AI, whereby human supervision of AI algorithms yields improved results in specific use cases, such as when dealing with context-driven polymorphic malware. Another large debt financing over the last 7 days included Automation Anywhere, based in California, USA, raising $200 million. This robotic process automation company will use this funding for operational and strategic capital as it seeks to capitalize on the forecasted large increases in corporate automation budgets globally. That's all for this week. If you want to publish your news on our rapidly growing AI news channel on Google, LinkedIn and YouTube, email our news desk by close of business Thursday each week on newsdesk@ai-forum.com. And to stay informed, visit our website, ai-forum.com, and click to subscribe. Thanks for watching.